Welcome everybody. Today we are going to learn about input variables and print. The first one, print, prints information to the user. Just like this. Print, then the text. Hello, I am David. Then I will run the code. Hello, I am David. The second one is variables. You have to think about a variable is just like a box where you put information. For example, my name is David, so I'm going to store it into a variable. Name, David. And now I can print the variable. Print, name, David. We use variables to store things that we're going to use further in the code. And we can mix variables and print. For example, hello, I am. And now instead of typing David, I'm going to put the variable. Hello, I am David. As you can see, it prints the same message. It doesn't care if you are using a variable, a print, or whatever. The third one is input. With input, we prompt the user a question and we store the answer of the user into a variable. For example, I want to know the name of the user, and we are going to store it into a name. Input, then the question. What is your name, mate? And then we are going to print the user's name. Print, your name is name. Here's the question, what is your name, mate? My name is... I'm going to choose a different name, Diana, and says your name is Diana. We ask with input to the user, it stores the name here, and we can print the user's name. As you can see, it's pretty easy. Well, now you know how to prompt the user for information, how to store that information into a variable, and how to print the text and variables. So I think it's time to do an exercise. In this exercise, we are going to create a Madlib. If you don't know what a Madlib is, it's this. In this kid's game, one kid asks the other to tell him an adjective, a noun, a plural noun, etc. And then he replaces the empty spaces with the words the other kid said. So we are going to do the same. We are going to ask the user from some questions, then we are going to print the information replacing the empty voids with the answers of the user. Now stop the video, try to do it, and if you can do it, press play again, and I'm going to solve it for you. If you did it, or less you tried, good work. This is my solution. I'm going to ask all of this, a color, a superlative, adjective, body parts, etc. And after the user answers the questions, it's going to print this text. I'm copy pasting because you don't want to watch me typing for 2 or 3 minutes, so I'm going to copy paste. Okay, let's try it. Give me a color, red, a superlative, largest, an adjective, crazy, a body part, knees, another one, brain, a noun, a pool, an animal, dog, an adjective, happy, another one, word, and another one, I don't know, in pain. Okay, here's the text. The red dragon is the largest dragon of all. It has crazy knees and a brain shaped like a pool. Okay. It loves to eat dog, although it will feast on nearly anything. It is happy and hard. You must be in pain around it, or you may end it at its meal. Well, this is your Madlib. You can create your own and play with your friends and have fun.